Hey there, in today's video, I'll show you a super quick and easy way to find your Wi-Fi password using just the command prompt on a Windows computer. Let's dive right in. First, click on the Windows Start menu and type CMD. Make sure to run it as administrator by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type this command to view all the networks your computer has connected to. Netch, WLAN, show profiles. This will display a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that your computer remembers. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network you want the password for. Let's say the network name is this one. Type the following command to view the details, including the password. Netch, WLAN, show profile name equals open the double quotes, my Wi-Fi name, and close the quotes again. Space, key equals clear. Press Enter. In the output, scroll down to the section labeled Key Content. This is where your Wi-Fi password will be displayed. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Wi-Fi password using command prompt. This method is great because it doesn't require any extra software or digging through menus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.